guys, so today I will show you this really quick invert flash effect. So first things first, prepare your all clips, then put adjustment layer on the timeline, and it should be 6 frames long, so I will count 6 frames, 1 2 3 4 5 6. I will cut it and then delete the rest. And for the adjustment layer, just put it right in between two clips, so you will have 3 frames on the left side and 3 frames on the right side. Then go to the start, and now we will apply invert effect. Yes, from the channel, so this one, apply it on the adjustment layer, and now go to FX controls, slide down, and now we will just toggle blend with original, change it to 100, go 3 frames, change it to 0, and then go next 3 frames and also change it back to 100. And that's it, and you will have something like this happening with your clips. Just stack it over whatever you want and however you want. Okay, so I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye.